my friends? We're playing in the rain today here in Changwon, Korea. We're at the Hwacheon factory. You know, they build everything from the factory floor up. They have their own foundry, and here at this facility, they're actually doing manual machining on up to the biggest ones that you can imagine, focused in the education world, supporting Korean education in CNC manufacturing. And we're gonna head inside and see what the difference is between what Hwacheon does, bringing everything from the foundry floor to no outsourced products into their machines to bring you the perfection you deserve.